Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today we have the Huawei Pura X Collector's Edition. And the Pura X is a new wider screen foldable device. Today we have the gray color. It's gray glass back panel with metal frame. And today we will have a very quick unboxing video with this new wider screen foldable device from Huawei. And for this device, it's powered by the Pura Harmony OS 5.0. And it gets a 3.5-inch outer screen and 6.23 inside screen. And the biggest features about the device is the screen ratio. It's changed from 17, the traditional 79 to 70 to 10. So it's a wider screen and different experience with such kind of virtual foldable device. Okay, so next, let's get the phone out from the phone protector, and also we will check the accessories first. And so this is the first box in the smartphone, another package in the smartphone box, and in this package we can find the user manual, quick guide, warranty card, and also to provide I think it's a plastic, just normal plastic case. This is a quick guide of the device, Huawei PuraX. This time for the smartphones, they have three colors: the black, white, and gray. For the normal one, and for the special ones, they have the gray, red, and yellow. Yes, this is the warranty card, and this is the case. Okay, it's not unite, it's a separate case. Okay, yes, transparent, hard transparent case. And this is from the, and this time for the lens. If we unfold it, it's 143.2, and if we fold it, 91.7, and the V's, if we unfold it, it's 91.7, and if we fold it, it's 74.3, and also the weight is just 195.9 gram, and also thickness is if we unfold it, 7.15, if we fold it, it's 15. As for the charger, they used a 66 watt wired charger, fast charger, and it supports a 5 watt reverse wireless charger, and also the battery is reached to 4,720 mAh, and if we charge it in 30 minutes, we get a 50%, so you can fast charging speed and say goodbye to the worry, anxiety of the battery. So this is all the stuff inside the box, and next, I think finally we can get the phone out from the screen protector. There's the phone protector, and we can also check the phone itself. Okay, finally the gray colored Pura X Collector's Edition is in front of us. So this is the fold outside screen, and the back panel, gray color, and it gets a quad camera system. This is the Huawei logo for the hinge. Thickness, if we fold it, is 15.1. If we unfold it, the thickness is just 7.15, and the inside screen is 6.3, and the outsider is 3.5 inch. The inside, yes, 6.3. And this time, it's the IPX8 rated device, and also is powered by the Pura Harmony OS 5.0. And this time they use the Harmony OS 5.0. And for the Harmony OS, it's an AI powered OS, and it's a very powerful and smooth. Now it can support mainstream applications in China, but for the language, it just supports Chinese and English. And when you're waiting for the other language, and also for the application, it doesn't support the global applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So this is the biggest disadvantage for this part, for this screen, for the smartphone. And also the outside in-sky screen cannot support most of the applications. And then you do more of optimization in the future to get a better experience. Because also this time they use the 16:10 and the 16:9 screen ratio. Yes, so this is the big difference compared to the other device, especially when you're reading and watch movie or working, use the WPS or Microsoft Office. It's a bit different experience compared to the other device. And also we can have a very simple camera test about the Pura X, because this time they also have a power 5 camera front and called real camera system. The main one is 50 megapixel. Main one, the aperture is 1.6 and 40 megapixel. Wide angle and macro f2.2 and 8 megapixel telephoto f2.4, and also supports the 1.5 megapixel Huawei Red Maple original camera lens. And the front camera is 107 megapixel, and for the camera is 3.5 optical zoom performance and 30 times mixed digital zoom performance. And now it's night, and I can take the camera because this time they use the special RYYB technology. It's take place the RGB technology, and it's make the sensor can get more light, 40% improved. And also for the red maple technology, the imager solutions can make the night more bright, and we can find more details, especially for the portrait. You can see the hair, and for the clothes you can find the texture. Yes, this is the night vision test. As we can see from the different cameras, you can get different performance. Yes, night vision. And this is a zoom. So this maximum supports 30 times zoom for this phone. Check and take some samples, some picture. It's nice, the 30 times zoom at the dark, not pure dark, but a bit low light, low bright light. Yes, circumstance. I will put some sample picture at the end of the video. Yeah, so this is a very quick camera test and unboxing video of the Huawei Pura X. So what do you think of such device from Huawei? It's got a very powerful camera and decent specifications, but the OS it's cannot compatible with most of the global applications. And yes, it's some pictures, you can check it. And it's have some good features, but also it's got a very strong disadvantages in the market. So okay, make a comment and let me know your thought. Let's enjoy some sample pictures, and also I will put more smartphone pictures at the end of the video. So this is the zoom. Yes. Okay, more pictures. Thanks for watching. Let's attend the video for more catch up from here. Bye bye.